So this is a radio I built using the ICStation module, FM receiver module. So earplugs, frequency, volume. This is USB audio, but I don't use it. That's power in the two speakers. On-off switch. Got a little handle. I'm going to probably make something else for that. A nice long antenna. Speakers, one on each side. There's the other one. They are 8 ohms, 10 watts. I have an old flat screen TV. There they are. And this is actually one of those Chinese power banks. It's a 2-cell. And I just bought just the shell. Bought the shell, and I took them 2 of these batteries right here, Westinghouse. Put them inside, and it works. And I printed that out on my little peppering printer. Love this little thing. That power bank is glued. And the radio, you can kind of see how everything's hooked up here. I don't know if you can hear me, but there's your speaker left and right. Power. So it's DC 3 volts to 5 volts. Apparently this thing has a serial port, but what I want to know is, does this thing have like a line out? I'm not sure. I think it might be this. Right here. That might be it, but I'll have to confirm. It has 2 3-watt built-in amplifiers. You can probably read the numbers off them, or maybe not. Go ahead and pause the video. And yes, lots of hot glue. Here's your antenna wire. Goes around to the front, right there. And that's, I think that does everything. LCD FM receiver. This is version 2.0. No, sorry, that's the serial. And that's USB audio. Now we're going to turn it on. I got a sports talk station queued up, so avoid any copyrights. So it says hi.
Have that eventually you're going to be taking away from you. That is a
Goes pretty loud.
A deal breaker from
I know it's glary.
From the player standpoint. So I would see
because I got
that
the light on my phone on.
That's kind of what teams are thinking as far as tweaking, you know, the Supermax rules here.
But you can see.
And I even heard a couple of guys on teams wonder.
It goes really loud, and you know, it sounds great. That's the tuning right here. Let's go up to. It's a rotary encoder station. It's a rotary encoder. It's a talk station. Apparently, if you hold this,
and so the family became instant multi-billionaires. And
mutes. So when there's no station, it just mutes it. You can turn that on and off just by holding the frequency.
To help fight
the volume.
Fight the Russians.
Push the volume, and it mutes. See on the display, mutes.
Something happened to him out there. Nobody knows quite yet, but he went from this Playboy image
the angle's not very
to
good.
this. I don't know any other word than religious zealot, and
this case came from a toy watch. Actually, it's this watch right here, Star Wars watch. I bought it at Walmart because I thought it was cool. And in the case, if I don't break the antenna off, it's got screws on it. I'll take those off if I need to get in there. So it looks good, works good.
the Americans do too, because Kuwait really.
I'm not going to turn it up too loud. It's really loud, so that's it. It's my homemade radio.